It is another afternoon. It's another afternoon. It has been a very tiresome day. A very tiresome day. I was busy. That's why nchachishira pamulabasa. Nchachishira pamulabasa. Maro nadiendo obushiku bonse kuisa kurusaka. So nachaendo obushiku. Uruchero nacherera. Na yakukoti kulia. Mwadishi ba no ushari mwakabamo. Anyway, I want to appreciate the leadership of the opposition, where President KBF Zambia Must Prosper has stood with us in goodness and in pain. I want also to thank all the opposition leaders, Benakachinda, Avena Bini Wampundu, everyone who came. I want to say thank you to all of you who came and to give me support. I say thank you. Without you, we the grassroots media, we are nothing. Then again, I had an opportunity to go to Chimbokaira. But things never unfolded accordingly. Because time to achia bakambiri bachwana kuba mukoti na bena ine Chimba Joseph na chiba mukoti Chimba Kambwiri na ena bachimuleta achwana kuba mukoti tunamesa ndecha uka short time. It's okay timwe kadandela ndakupeleka pakamula basa hapa. So Chimba Kambwiri achibala kuba mukoti lero. Chimba Joseph ine na chiba mukoti. Ba family yaba Edgar Lungu na bena bachiba koti ku South Africa. So you know they achiba very busy. Such that I failed to update you. So to achia kuchimbokaira. To asango kweba ti I want to say thank you to achiba na KBF. To achia kuchimbokaira. Timone bachimba Kambwiri twasango kweba ati bachimba Kambwiri baruwele cha kweba tina kukoti bachifiro kuisa. That's why we decided to leave the after court session yandi apwa tuachia kulia kumona bachimba Kambwiri ngabala ba mu court session. Then ngatwafuma pale twasango kweba ati bachifiro kubaleta pantu baruwele sana mu chifungo. So we decided to go there na ba KBF tuachia pale ama officers kwena teti nande sana. They were good to us. But ando kweba trolele so that mone situation efo yalaba mukati ngabala kwanisha. Yasango kweba ati bachifilo kwanisha. That's how we decided to come out of Chimbokaira place there and we went back to the court. That's how the day was. That's how the day was. So I want to apologize to you, my followers, wherever you are watching, that it was very difficult, brothers and sisters. It was very difficult for me to update you and my team, because all my brothers, others were in South Africa, others are in Zambia, others they escorted me to court, others they, so yachiwabe chimfuru in short, yachiwabe chimfuru. But all in one, I want to say thank you to you, my brothers and sisters. Mwewa tupepelako na mwewa tumila kwa message. As you are aware, with the grassroots media, especially in Shipangama politics, division. Shipangama politics, abufi. Nanguko na wisha abantu wa mashina. Ngandefo kulanda pali baka inde echilema. Kubeba feni bamdala, apa program niso. Ngakulanda pali bakalaba, ngakulanda pali ba KBF, ngakulanda pali ba Fred Membe, kulanda pofi uchiloku batukana. Nangukule mbapu efintu ifi pali bena. Because ichibemba ifweba fuma kububemba ichibemba chilando kweba ati uwa fomu nankwe teshibikwa. So me, I'm not part of the people that do propaganda politics, and I'll never be. Ngamrefu oku ntemwa, you love me on the truth. Ngamrefu ande bepo bufi pakwe bati munte mwende rumba. I'm not going to do that because this is my position. So if I tell President Taka Inde Chilema the truth, I'll always speak the truth. And when I speak the truth, it doesn't mean that Nishinalibapata Waka Inde Chilema. I always speak the truth. So that bakainde ngabalapata abantu pachinka bakampate. Ngabapata abantu pachinka. It's better the president of the Republic of Zambia and the whole entire government and those who are working in the government to hate me for the truth. It's good to die for the truth than to die for the lies. Chali wama po kufila pachinka, not to kufila pabufi. So me, I'm not going to be part of the people, but aba pango bufi, pakwe batu wabatemwe. Inanga wanje batu walete ndalama. Tukaka inde ichile, mateti ntukane, tina kwa bati sende ndalama shobe. Aka inde ni president, aka inde mufiashi, aka inde ni leader wachalo. So nanguinga mpele ndalama, kulando kwe bati ntuka aka inde teti. Nangu wanje bati yo tukaba alungu, pakwe bati umpele yorupia. Nangu ntuke familia aba alungu, pakwe bati ngwati yorupia. Pakwati umpere motoka, pakwe bati nkwati yorupia. I'm not going to do that type of politics. Inyama politics inandapo is for Zambians. So nangu muntu wenga mbepe shobufi. The truth will come out. Nangula winga mbepesha. Wantu wala kupolisi, wantu wala kurikonse. The truth shall set me free. Understand that point. The truth shall set me free. Nangu mwinga mwaikalaka grupu watotu mbepesha obufe. The truth shall set me free. Elo ine ishtina. Indala ndefishinka no kuchita advice bakateka bakainde echilema. So ngande chita advice bakainde echilema efishinka. And you the people of Copper Belt, you the people of Southern Province, and you the people of Northwest and everywhere, Muchinga, wherever you are, and you say, I'm the enemy of Akainde Echilema, then you don't love this country. Chawama Akainde, na you PND bakantuwale kujere for the truth, not on the lies. Ngana eba Akainde atuwesho ubungo kapona, ubungana budula ntola kujere better. Ngana eba Akainde ati, puisha load shedding abantu kuchoma, abantu kwa kanyama, abantu kumpurungu, abantu kupetako katete, they are complaining. Elo wakaindi antola kujere na government yakwe. I will celebrate my life in jail on the truth, not on the lies. That's why most of the people that are doing politics, they put jail first and they start fearing. If you want to become a politician, don't fear jail when you stand on the truth. When you are speaking on the truth, you don't fear. Mandela was speaking the truth to defend South Africa and to make sure that they stopped the nonsense of apartheid in South Africa. He never feared to be taken to jail. So if you are speaking the truth and you are fearing jail, then you are not a politician. Abarandila kwe chalo. Ifo tu akwata fe fintu fitatu nga waingira ma politics. Uku ikatwa kuya ku police. Uku fwa kufuila abantu. No kuina my election kuya ku State House. We have got only 3 things. Uku ikatwa, uku fwa. Nangu kuina my election kuya ku State House. Uku ikatwa kulala maselo. Nangu kukutwala kujere for the benefit of the Zambian people. Me, I'm not crying because I am happy that if they can try me anywhere because I speak for the Zambian people, I say thank you to God. But if people, they start fighting me, but it's the injustice, the God that I save, ineleza wandi mpepa, ngabampatikisha sana, bamfienga sana, ama enemies bandi balapona. Umuntu umfienga. Shina liandilia Joseph kuta deko diafuma. Me, I'm Joseph Chimba. Joseph, you lead what is the Joseph went through in the Holy Bible. Bari mushtishe by his own brothers. And at the end of the day, he came to save them. So these people, they can fight me, but we are going to save them. That's why I know what I talk about. My name Joseph, when you read from the Old Bible, Joseph has appeared 2 times in the Old Bible. In the Old Testament, there is Joseph who saved his brothers. Joseph of Jesus Christ, the father of Jesus Christ, a spiritual father of Jesus Christ. Ume, usha kumene pono mwana kashi. Lero asungo mwana ushari wakwe. Mashina Yesu ifwe. So umuntu ngambo kuruwa na ine. Tulanda fekulilesa tilesa balo poreni. Balabe na baruwa ni bandi abalefu okunchite chili chonse. By the day they are going to realize baka isanga umububi sana. Ifwe amashina Yesu Joseph is to save the people. Yesu Kristo nibanga imumwe baletamba. Umwana kashaza kweba tininkwate efumo. Wasunge efumo. Now how many of you can accept? At yo ninkwate efumo lesa nanje bokweba ati ngakwate efumo ngakwate efumo ngafyalo omwana wakulubule charo. Ba Christopher uti mwasumina. It is only our name Joseph. That's why Joseph in the Old Testament is talking about salvation to protect people. Joseph accepted Jesus Christ. That's why she bet Mary na kwate efumo. Asumi no kusunga Yesu Kristo. No kula anankwe. Before we believe in such. Umuntu la ngwengarwa na ine. Antwala kuli konse. My enemies they will fall. Songa chakwe bati. Ulefo kulwa na ine sana. Wambo kulwa na ine. The God of Jacob, God of Isaac is going to fight for my battles. Because me, I always speak the truth. Kale nambiri okulanda. I want to talk about what is happening in South Africa. Mweba nkonkabu yonga parwendo hapa. First nalalanda mashiwi. Ayo mkalamba wandi alandile. Mkalamba wandi Edgar Lungu kazen wandi umunandi. Alandile kwebati. Na alichenjela ngensoka. Na alikuwa mtima wankunda. Do you think I'm joking? Elu alando kwebati. If you PF baifumfunya. Na democracy baona ula. Ngabanka nyoku iminina. Ngabanka nyoku iminina. Ama koti ya Muzambia nga ya pingula. Bachitecho balela anda chonse. I'm going to use plan B. Ela before talalandefyo. Ala njilo kwebati. You the Zambian people are going to regret if you vote me out. If you are going to regret for voting me out. Mwalesto ubunga 120. Namula pila. Namula pila. Mwalesto ubunga 120. Ubunga lomba mwalesto ubunga $1. Uwa miebele at 50 kwacha fiabufi. Ali miebele ukwebati. Inenga mwalesta fiwo pale 12 kwacha. Mwalesta fiwo pale 17 kwacha. Mwale mwana kwa taku watamano. Aba ishibe ndalama. Aba ishibe okulia. But when a few of 35 quarter, they don't care. This government that you have is a government of the rich people. That's why even you, the civil servants, you are complaining. But I want to assure you, when we change the government next year, we are coming to clean up the system. Abadine ndoti. Mwema civil servant la mubeshiba. We are coming to clean up the system. We are coming up to clean up the system next year. You, the civil servant, mweba ledila. I know there are so many civil servants that are crying. If there is anywhere where there is tribalism, we are coming to clean up the nonsense of tribalism. We are coming up to clean up the debt that is happening in this country. The corruption that is stinking. We are coming to clean up the corruption. That's why, by UPND, wherever they are, now but me have stood with the Zambian people. And I put the Zambian people first. So you the civil servant, wherever you are, where there is no sense of tribalism, we are coming to clean up that mess. Don't worry. Where there is injustice, nganuwa civil servant konsekodi. Taule bomba, bali kufumia, bali kubika pa table, or bali bika pa mpanuta uomba. Whether you are in Southern Province in Ichoma, we are coming to clean up that mess. You go back for work. You the civil servant in Eastern Province, Lusaka, ngabali mitubikata mlebomba. We are coming up next year to clean up that mess. You start going for work. Every person in this country is important. And when I speak as grassroots media, I know what I'm talking about. Abakaramba bari landile. Mukamfuaya na touch na kasuba. That's what Edgar Lungu said. But I told you kainde echilema. Mweba nkonkabu ino. Na di mwebelo kwebati. Mweba nkonka. I told you kainde echilema and the UPND government. I told them, you are not going to find a solution in the coast of South Africa. You cannot sort out your problems of your country in another country. I told President Akainde Chilema. I told him, mwaba gamba, na mwebele shani. Na tibola te yabana, yabakuru. Na le mweba echechi. Iwa Akainde kusadi kitawia. So bala fuwa yoke meoka hepapata. Kuma sadi meeting kitawia. He came kote yabana na lelanda kabiye kuli Mnangagwa Crocodile na shiro maposa na former president bambiaba ubete bakwafweko na lilandile kabiye kuli uyu munandi chitimu lani abela chitimu kurwaba na bena gaundi na bena mpezeni ba bururu bakwa Edgar Lungu ba mgaundi no uyu mpezeni bete mwikale pamo mpange chimwe chakosa. You cannot sort out your problems in court. When people are failures, they all undo. Ngamwamala fyo muntu ale butuka ku police every time. Mwashi batali kwata problem. Ngamwamala fyo muntu ale butuka ku court every time. Mwashi bati uyali kwata problem. We don't sort out our problems in court. The people that goes in court are those people who are weak. Bamonati, how are we going to sort out our problems? That's why nganalanda nalaiba bakainde echilema. Akainde echilema, you are surrounded by the people who are not helping you. Bamana kwati ndizo kwa tamananga tulebeba. When I tell President akainde echilema, you are surrounded by the people who are not helping you. When you are a president, problem with chitika. Tuleze ndaba iche nga paunza. Aya paunza asambirila na ngwa panipa asambirila akwata masters ekwata mano. Ichikuteke chalo. Te masters nangu degree. Kuteke chalo mano. Knowledge. Bali ngire basola bakainde. Abantu abakwata mano bampanda mano. Abakweba tinga fyashu pefintu. Babeta. Bale imweseni. Ku northern province basenda komo. Ku southern province basenda komo. Bali abantu abakwata mano. Abakulu. Abakwata mano ya chifyalirwa. Nga babeta bali nga kwa ponechi. Elo balando kweba chikwena bane. Problem tukwete kwena ndesumina uyu munandi wafuire ku South Africa tatwaikele bwino nomba mwalatu wafwashani elo lomba wasendesha mfumu wababika punch mwalanda elo watumesha mfumba alanda na family da nomba who are getting imbalanced. It is the government of the Republic of Zambia and akainde ulese bana ba minister bakwaba barakuka elo akainde akarusa my election ba minister bonze bakakuka. That's why sometimes in Ngandela ndaine bamala kwati limbi akaindela limupata. Me I tell president akainde chima the truth. That's why before I nikale kokulanda because akainde na community house bali ambo kutambanga ndelanda. Kali bale fwa inende kokulanda. Bali mposa maselo. Pako afyati inde kokulanda. But me have told them I'll put the Zambian people first. Indarama kuti wakwata. Ichuma uti chakutu wakwata. Bushe ichuma chika kuchitile inshi. Ngata usungile omwewe mkunilesa. Ko bali aba kwetoru pia bali fwa. Eko bali aba rechula bali fwa. Ngacha kweba kweba tuwatemu rupia. For me, ngacha kweba ati inandile kwe chalo. Ningela kwa toru pia. Teku tukaka teka iyo. Nangu balabe ni abantu aba mpata. Bali ipata. Balabonsi aba mbepesha. Na aba shuka. Ngachakwa bati na ebale sawandi kulanda cha abantu bali mfyenga obale mfyenga chirefu abakafika mu 2026 trafino wachitile Sodom and Gomorrah balopole trafino wachitile time ya kwa Noah balopole bakambo kulira. But because our God that we serve is a God of yesterday, today and tomorrow, alikuwa to mutima ualuse. So me I always forgive them. They can do whatever they want. But I always tell President Akainde Chilema the truth. It's up to him Akainde okuntemwa, nangu kumpata, nangu kunjikata, kuntola kumaselo for the truth. I don't care. Because ule seba niye chechi. Ela tulande fyonse, Akainde nga sebana, nechalo chile sebana. Nomba, mwangu weke atika ku South Africa. I told Akainde Chilema and the UPND. I said, you cannot sort out ichiriro, mukoti. Abe neba ichiriro, nibana rungu. Na family yabana rungu. Na family yabana rungu. Po mlinge okuchita mwingire mwa ikara pamo. Takwa bako baruile chitumbishe. Now whether you are a government or what, you cannot run a government without tradition and culture. Muno muchala mwali ba traditional and culture. So whether you are a president or not a president, whether you are a police or not a police, tetia kumochari. Ya muntu nafwa wa mkumone chitumbi mmocha itakwaba. Abe nebalingire basamfya no mubiri bapekanya elo masa tamba body viewing. It's up to them abe neba family babalando kweba tawe uyu muntu aliona ikasana aliruwala sana tatualangishe board viewing. You can't force them as a family. Tati mwakapatikisha yo bantu walinga teka Edgar Lungu so na board viewing tulefa tumone na bantu bamone abe nenga balando kweba tulefa afya bali 10 family yabana Lungu na family yaba Lungu eba la mnafyo mubiri. Whether you are a president, whether you are a police officer, any rank uringire wa mfwefe balanda no mbale lo balanda shenfu South Africa balando kweba ati uyu mulando oba twere bana na pana lilandire bana Lungu na family tabatulepo government kukoti government yakwaka inde ichilema ye atwele bana Lungu kukoti nomba ulio mulando lero ba upingulo kweba ati na abafumya kwa high court ba utwela constitution court e court ikaramba yarekereshako ela balaba court nabo balando kweba ati tabeshi beje bakapingula kapena ni mailo kapena ni next year kapena ni mu 2030 ela abo bakateme no bakapingula evira twalela ndati no ushani mwaka bamo. That's why twalela ndati akanyelele ngwaka patikisha kala suma eva tumyeba every day elo abantu nga bakulesha tu ilolesha pachitumbi ngo walolesha po abantu barapena wasende saka no manga tulela neta mumfwa ndali mipela ma examples ayengi kwaliba umwana kashi no murume bali upana ama abachibururu bale pusha bushe tata mwayikeleshani munganda muchalo chele munganda mwayikeleshani nabakashibemu fishe fe mwachitire mwalite mwenene otamwate mwenene ngatamwate mwenene na kuiko fimbe fu mwapangire fo bakanya aba fyashi bala kweba kumanda tawaeko bode viewing to waimone pantungo warole shapo para pitape 2 weeks na wafwa nangu wala pena wala fende saka nangu wala mbokuro tomu kashobe ela bakweba kumanda tawae ela somebody yamfwa ngali aisa ela balando kweba ati abe ne somebody afwa yaba bururu takwa bati pantu muna ndiuyu na lesa mbira na nkwe na kuisa mbodi yamfwa na lasangwa isambodi yamfwa yaba bururu takwa hapo upatikisha kuisa mbodi yamfwa isangweko elo abene balalanda uyutu ala mupianika apapene tuwashika nangu to twakupianike pantu mukashobi oyu tawamusungire bwino tu tawali pile nendalama fyonse fini ntambi abantu abapatikisha okulocha pomubiri balapene balafwa nombanga ndela ndeta mumfwa mwila patikisha abantu na mwela chita device uli onse mwela chita device yo boy fotu walisambirila ifevo balela ndani traditional chabela iwe bale kwebati abakashubobe wirosha pambiri tie kumanda ila wanomba wamkulolesha pamukashubobe ila nomba malo wasende saka wapena bakweba abakamba abafyashi twalikwebele twalikukenye wiyako kumanda twalikwebele wirosha pamukashubobe kwali bafimofo bakanya mu marriage evote tina ndiapa pantunga na landa mwanalandi okwebati yo grassroots media reponda kwali bafimofo bakanya mu chupo evote muchitemwe ba upana nga mwachitefyo mwa umenga afwa na ngumwana kashinga afwa de yakwa aloka mpaka mkushika na mpapode viewing baka kukanya tuilole shapo nga walole shapo kupena wasende saka nangu taupere tausendere saka pala pitave 2 weeks 1 month atinabele naba mdala naba konkamo naba fwa ichira mulandu wa tradition na culture kwali bafimo fweba upa efo batuweba kaike tina nde fyonse mwana lando kweba tindefu myefya munganda ndeleta pakasuba fo mwala mbokulanda so mulamona kali mwali kwata barupa benu kwali ba ifya kubati balabaresha mwasanga fena mayo bamukanya yota to amulepo pali board viewing abarume mobe bamushala kunganda basenda nabarume bashika patalala pantu kwali fo bapangire ifya kwebati nga barolesha apo balaba mayo pabarume nishimalo bafwa nangu bapena basende saka nangu mwasanga bale pianga mu Cairo nangu mabasanga mule bale pianga mu Livingstone town mwamona fyo omuntu asende saka alibika motukopo tekisha mwasanga fyo omuntu alanda yeka lelanda kachikode fya chitire elo mulelanda tinisha pene na ulya aba pena naba furunga naba fwa bamotamwa ishibecha bepaya tamwa ishibefo bachale ngati bapene balesenda masaka mulandi wakwe bati kwali bentambi. Every country has got its own culture konseko mukaya kwali ba culture nombanga tulelanda kumala kwati tetwa kwa tamano ela mukalasenda masaka mukapena mukafwa mukalanda tatwalelanda because ngatuleta mule umfwa Nale meba pariati, you can't sort out this problem in court. Mulese banyo buteko bwacharo, mulese banyana kainde echilema. Na lela ndeta mumfwa. Nomba, kali mufwa echitumbi cha kwa lungu. Kasendeli kali mwale imama baka. Alo tule mieba ifu tulamuleti ya kuntanshi. Na alimiebe lati baka inde echilema. Basende ba mpeze nyumu nandi mpeze na gaundi. Baba bike panshi. Baba bike pandeke bayi ku South Africa. Lela mulese ndaba. Bala muletuma government. Bala diya fiyoru pia. Bale ndane ndeke. Bale rama hoteo. Bale shita enjoy. Bale tonye na mabele. Kai kulanga bayi ku South Africa. Mma hoteo. Mulasangwa na basungu. Mulasangwa na makaradi. Mulasangwa na Chinese pama hoteo ku South Africa. Abana kashaba kuma hoteo abasungu. Betafye mulumu wanu wakonkonsha. My brother musungu ne mishishinomu ala konkonsha. Awe nishingo shokwete no ndefu akofe $50. Umwana kashikuzambya kuno abasungu tamubarolesha bakufwaya ku South Africa benki. Pa hoteo polele basungu beka ebale konkonsha ku bedroom ko bekolele nga wafumya bana kashide mishari pona ola kuzambeta kwaba abasungu abengi kashikupena ishashala kula trave yola tuste prospondi bale umfwabule baleria bale tonyama baleria bale korwa kula ku South Africa kula ona urendera mashacharo pantu ku South Africa ekusangwa abasungu kula kuzambye kwaba abasokotwa abasungu abachabe abanono inena ali ku South Africa nga muni mu South Africa pali bapa mu Twitter pa yellow station papa mina mabasi alonga mu South Africa kwali ba hotel imo ya kweba tingo mafika pa hotel panze paria mwaba shaenda dilaola ingira pa reception na babika ama pictures yabana mayo abana kashi imitundu shonse aba ku Ethiopia abasungu aba ku America aba ku abasungu na babika ama pictures na maroom so iwango wamonati kwa nakai kufundo mwana kufika poka fo mfwa nga walolesha paria iyo teweyo kashi pelevo chaba kuso ntafyati ndefu ayo waina umusungu nangu ndefu ayo waonda epo na afyari wa kuzambia shamu na po mubili wa musungu indalama shonse kupwa mule tubendalama kula afya atijane kashi bale enwa bale korwa bale tonyama bele ku South Africa mule kwati bale lila barungu yo bale fo kupoke chitumbi kashi ba ku South Africa bale tonyama bele kula kuchalo kwali be hotel ndelanda kulanda room 18 kwali aka musungu ako imishari pona bana kashaba samba abakweba ati bamo balesa pama hotel alefu afyo omwaume wakweba ati chonse alikwata baushibali kwa toru pia umusungu indalama ku South Africa echo alefu akofye kwangana nankwe indalama ala kusendera kunganda kumwakwe na swimming pool mwala samba nemnyoto kali parkinga era nomba kula waya pena walala ndafya atijane so la tulela ndamule umfwa nangu tuwa ku Tanzania aba ku Tanzania na beshiba kwali bo tulanda Coco Beach ku Coco Beach kwali bo ko sangwa abasungu abakweba ti bafuelafye trafine bo bafuelafye fo momo bafyalirwa nga wamwiteta bakana solo ola ndelanda na lienda pantunga ndelanda umala kwati ndesa baila ina mufyalo na lia nangu polopondi passport yi mule mulanga ndelanda ini passport panta mumfwa aba bantu mule tuma ku South Africa mule mona bali dinda momu nga mule mona chawe grassroots media lebepa fyonse vidindo muchalo muntu waenda nangu timwatira awe dimbya lebepa teo mule mona ninebo hapa mufyalo na lia kuma South Africa na lia ku Zimbabwe na lia kuma Botswana na lia ku Dar es Salaam kwali ba kuzambia takwaba kuno muri tamwangi takwaba efya kwangala kwali boko bangala ababa sungu kuno mutina ku South Africa tunyanta mofye no maka tulemye batamule umfwa era bale kwele ndeke bale umfwa bwiro nga wakwele ndeke ama coffee mulenwa ama wine yonse wine olefu akupunda fe nga ni champagne wapunda nga bwarwa nshulefu amundeke toilet yemo yaba kanshi kwali ba life insuma chicha tibate mwafere chiriro chaikala na 5 years bali abantu balya obale tuma babuteko kanshi kulya balangala imwe kula mulelira kulya bale toloka bale tonyama bere so tulekana okweba ati iliriashi bali bweshe batume mu peasant na gaundi baye ku South Africa iliriashi na kukoti baleke bale ona urendera mashacharo Pantola nanda mulakwati ni mindesa baila. Aba yapo ku South Africa. Muka muipusha uri omunandi Dani Kaya. Urawa imbiro kwebati. If ya konka, uri omunandi Dani Kaya uria. Balabalando kwebati Dani yakumbuyo. Urawa imbati Dani yakumbuyo. Urawa imbati Dani Kaya. Ali imbire nyimbo. Ati mutubepe. Mwaya ku South Africa. Mwamusenda nyotoka. Indalama bamirira mo. Kutemwe fya konka. Bali abalakashiba ku South Africa abasungu bamopo mwafyalirwa mumulafya abasungu balenda bali abasungu bali kwa tama room kula ku South Africa kula so ntafye ndefu akoyu room 18 waingira waasanga fe musungu po wafyalirwa ku Zambia abasungu batambira pa TV so ala tulela ndamule umfwa mula kwati mulelwa na abantu bale stay enjoy bale pangoru pia pachilo cha kwa lungu. That's why I'm saying don't fight, don't solve your problems in the court. Ngakuli chulubanike. That's why mnabona ba newspaper balemba ma newspaper ngabalanda pa muntu basango kweba ati bali panga mistake bala chita apologize tapadunga kwatwala ku court ngawapanga chili chonse ela wachita apologize takwaba ngachakweba chi newspaper yonse yalanda pali imwe chintu mwalanda okweba ati yona abangola wireshina eli oluchelo basabika mu newspaper for bachita apologize tualile mba story ota twakwete tapalo ko inga batwala nga bachita apologize. All of us we are people who can heal. Even angels they erred. All of us we are people can make mistakes. We are there to make mistakes and forgive each other. We cannot solve our problems in another country. Na lelanda kutila ababantu muletu mu South Africa ama South Africa ni bali changera na bene bale umfwa bwino economy yabo ile apamuru na mwasenda ama Zambia ni abali 50 baya ku South Africa ama room zali 50 bala mkulala ma room zali 50 if yakuna fumo hotel firenda ba judge ba lawyer baleria at the end of the day shirenda lama kulishabomba mu chesu cha Zambia but because this problem is centered pali bakainde echilema balungu la family yabo balefo kuleto omubiri ota balefo afeni president akainde echilema ngali ichefya nokulanda okweba ati bamutale bayimi tofore nimwe mukasangwa kokulya nangu bamutale by increase in order to reduce nimwe mukasangwa kokulya pakweba ati tukashika omuntu lero balanda okweba ati chisoza chipamano nikuisako mwamona mwaimbe echilindi more than 2 months no shika mu omuntu nikuisako mwamona fyonse vimipamba namuletisha mpamba muchalo kana umfwa lero echilindi chiketa umochira mwikalira pandi chilechili ntakwapo kwa bembe chilindi no shika mu omuntu chilechili chileta ni spiritual. That's why mulakano kulala kumanda echo mutino kulala kumanda mulatina abafuati balabuka nga chilindi nga mwaimba umwakubika spirit umuntu alale tamuli umuntu for 2 months fyonse vimipambe ya muchalo nomba chilechili balingire bachitashani balingire batuma bakalamba ema nga mwaimbe chilindi tamulele muntu abakalamba balema bakumanda no kuyashirika chilechili pakweba atachitiri oli wonse namba kali mu Zambia mwalisambirira bonse mulande chisungu abana balande chisungu kaucha mwaliposa abana kashibende na matrousers abafyashi besu balefuala mapitikot kukala sunge ntambi mwaliposa amapitikot mwenda fena mbala matrousers nomba ngalambo kumifunda mukala ndatio grassroot bidia leponta alaba abafyashi besu bale moleka bwino kyalele ngaba fyashi besu bale upa bamayo besu abatufyala takwaba po abantu abaposa ntambi abakashi nabafuala trousers abarume nabafuala trousers olo balenda kwati bonse baume ntambi mwaliposa bana mayo bamuneka kwati bana baume bantu vyakufuala kwati vyakufuala vyakwana mayo ne vyakufuala vyabaume nomba muna mu Zambia mwaliposa ntambi. That's why bana mayo wabe ngita bale upwa kama mwaliposa ntambi. That's why mulefu wa 50-50 mwaliposa ntambi abantu nga balelanda mule umfwa so ku South Africa oko efya chitika kanshi umulandi wabalungu niso tambe no shali mwabamo efya twalela ndati ngata muchenjere mama mukasenda Masaka kalapyanga mu Cairo nangu mukalapyanga kukitwa kutsokone wabuka fyo luchero mwasanga abantu bale pyanga pakwa batibule ishibe ntambi ati ni ntambi efya abafyashi balela ndaka lengo lefo okupa bale bo mwana muna munganda tawako pilemo badanga waupila mbala pena ile nganda ama ule bawishi bala nindoshi banina nindoshi nga waupila motawako kwati abana bakala pitirira bonse aba fyashi bale sonterera abana oku mwakupira pantu bala ikana bali abantu bale beshiba nomba ino nchitamuleta tamuna abana kashi pantu nakwata ipu wakonka ipu waupa pantu alikwata amenso akuru waupa amenso walabo omutima mwapose ntambi isho abafyashi besu bale chita alikwata abana ndina ma Chinese alikwata abana ndina ma Indians nganamba okuposta amafoto y'abana ndi mwaralanda tibana nkwaba abana ndi bale ma umu Indian umunandi aima muna Muzambia mwali bama Indians lero anje batibo India ku India nishi na mukupa abafyashi bali mfwairo mwana kashi kula ku India ama Indians nga mwabe pusha bale mane ndeke kuya ku India kwa mkupa tamwa kasanjo mwana kashi mu Indian ule musonte pwe ule mu Indian muna Muzambia tira ule Indian uli omwana kashi bali fundwa bali konkenta mbishabo nombala lo mwali pose ntambi baticha abasambirira banesi abasambirira bale bule skuru ne chupo bafipanga semu iwe na mango wali upwa wali sambirira iskuru lyobe nikunchito wayabomba nga wabwera kunganda chindika abalume bobe pantu abalume bobe ebolesa kupela whether wali sambia no police uli musoja ubusoja bobe nikunchito bu police nikunchito bu teacher bu nurse nikunchito nga wabwera wafwale chitenge wasenda nebende walatwa waepika nefya kuya balume bali yako efya kusashira nomba ngatulela ndakumula kwa tuletukana kaina mpose ntambi chona ika mulabule sukuru na kaucha mwaposa mwalisangu kabasungu muli basungu nangu chili ni chaikala 2 months it's okay mulabula kwati fyali banomo chikeshila onse tuwale mye batamumfwa era mkambo kusenda masaka mule pena mule enda mulodi tamwa mwikala ndate tuwale landa era mkala afwanga ba makanta chili ndichilya tachitafya umo chileta abantu abengi ngati abafyasha bakalamba ngati abeleko kuyala ndo kweba tiyo tulalike emipashi ishalala panta mumfwa ivo fwebe nshe myotoka lekeni myebeko fwebe nshe myotoka olefu makurusaka waima wala ndo kweba tinala imana 20 hours waima 20 hours ule ukasama pitwini serenje na mkushi uliweko olensha motoka wasanga kuntanshi na mayo alenda eka mutama akaimina pakati kumutwe emina pakati na fuwale nsapato lelo kumutwe kutakuli ule afyo olensha nga wapanga mistake atumulewe nishwa nilodi accident dila wa mkonka wapunda na haleluya helu waruba tifia fwewa ende pa misebo nomba ta mumfwa kaili mumula kwati buchota mwa befi banda tamwa ishibati mwali befi banda mucharo kaili mwali sambirila lelo mula ipusha bakatolika bale lalike fi banda mucharo munu wakale nga mwa kukundola kwali bayirya inyimbo bayimbire bala bayiche iyo mukamfuiro bwerera bakaye kupianika uli na echuwa pa mubili tamwa ishiba uli kabiye bakaye kupianika uli na echuwa pa mubili avo bayimbaire nyimbo abafyashi bale mona umwana kashinga posa kapopota bamuhamishe yo wamwaume waenda na nkwe chika kuchitikira mailo chikesa afume chintuku chakana pola yoni shiruye bulendo bafyashi besu bale landa umwana kashinga tabala mupianika waenda na nkwe malo kupena wasende saka bengi abapena bengi abafurungana aba ichibemba chilando kweba tukwali nsoketa kwafire bantu nale misoka you can't sort out this problem in court withdraw this sending ngeliba mpezeni na kaundi baye ku South Africa ilili ashiripwe tukashikerungu nomba tamumfwa munafwa kuchimfiana mukuchimfiana mwali bo musa mwali bo buchushi mukuchimfiana mwali bo kusebana nangu bana mayo mweba upwa na mule chimfiana na balume benu mwisho bebe okobata paka bechupo Imwe bana mayo mwalishi ba fiance. Abalume balandeko, you are the spokesperson everything. Umwameka la fie nokulanda tyamu nkashiwandala ndalanda. Elo akasanga kali ule akakweba tinga kalanda di baby. Hakeba tani I don't like this. I'm sorry baby, I'm sorry. Nishimama ayo abalume benu abo mwarusa. Mukashamule chula na abana aba ume basapula feta bapwa. Mula chindika abakashi, mula chindika na abalume benu. Abalume benu basapula feta bapwa. Mwa omena ngwa chule uwa kwa tamano le salamu pala because le sali mupela mano ya kusunga urupwa. So mwila chusha balume benu ngata bale bomba lelo mano bakambo okubomba lelo mwe balume ndola imwe mikasanguka bana ngani mwishibe okwebati ubukuru wankoko masako eri ngande eri yonse nga muri umwa ume alingira asungo urupwa nabakashi. So kwanza ko muletambira, I just came to update you that what has happened in South Africa, there is an indefinite judgment. Katuishinga ni mailo, katuishinga ni mwe October, katuishinga ni mwe next year. Mwe bale chula ni mwe bale sebana ni mwe. Aromu anakashinga na rufyanya. Wika mutukila panse, bakala ndeta bafundwa. Umurume owe, nangu chao kadi pashani, wika mupontela panse paka suba. Pantu nga wamupontela bakala ndata wakwata mano pantu umutuke panse umushikuwaira wana ngo kubedi wa usebene niwe. That's why mukasanga bana mayo umwana ume ngakolobu warwana sunda pa bedi awasha afyanika takala ndati bamudala eba tsunda bakala ndafyati na renu wa menshi yaitikala pa bedi eba nakashaba fundwa abalume bobe ba poso obunga ku bed baisa la bakorwa umwana kashuwa pipafye nishicho yobane nalipanga mistake umwana oyu achite chaso ama days aleya kusunge chupo mano kusunge chalo mano. You need to have that mind of keeping the way you can keep your marriage. That's the way you can keep the country. If you love your marriage, you will love the country. Gorefu wa muchishi munganda mumobe. Go walikuwa to muchishi munganda mumobe ne chalo chikachindama na abantu bakachichindika. Eryo mwebana bakalamba bwirafura bakalamba. Na mwe bakalamba mwirayifura mu public tatula ndamwe filifyonze. Mwe bakalamba mwa baba chindikwa. Teti mulelanda ili ashiri amusebanya ili akuyifura. Ine eko nafuma teti mfuri abakalamba. Mulandi wanshi eko tuwafuma bali tupera mafunde. Mule chindika bakalamba bakwe bati muke kalemya keingi. Kulika po bakateka na bantu bonse ifikorwe ifyachalo mule bachindika. Mwe bana kufyarwa bakwe bati muke kalemya keingi chindika lya bakalamba. Elanga mwachindika bakalamba bashinwe na baninenwe mukaliya visuma. Ukuingira nchito very simple. Go wachindika abantu. Ukulya bwino mwana mayo. Ngo mwachindika abakalume benu mukaliya visuma. Nendala mashiri afisa mu Bombasa akamipela I love my wife, she respects me. Nombango waleko kuchindika omurume obe akalase ndendalama ale turikire ule. Nariane ule kulyanga ali turikira. Ama ule yala pena. Ngachakwe bati kumwimya kumufura nsapato kumufura mastoken. Tamwa ishibana demo afude po abalume benu nsapato. Tamwa ishibana demo afude po abalume benu ama socks. Tamwa ishiba abalume benu nomba ama ule abafura nsapato ama ule abafura mastoken. Mwali pose ntambi bana mayo. Umwa ume wakulela. Na mwe bane bashitata mulelela bana mayo. Nomba bana mayo mulingira mulelela abalume benu. Pantunga tamulebalela kulingana na culture na tradition bakamibutuka bakasanga ama ule. Hii ule lyali pena. Ngari yamufyonta yamuposa na bed yamufura na mastoken. Imwe abalumenga baisa muri jini. Mwalisangu kwa abaume. Badinga ndelanda mulelanda tio grassroots media lelanda. That's why naka dimwe ama mansala ambo kuisa naka life la 22 hours kuisa mkumifunda fya kusunga efyupo fya kusunga abalume benu no kusunga ntambisha chalo chino ichana chona ikachino kwa bule ntambi bumano kwikwatira nabuchiramo That's why mule pena. That's why mule ndo kwa bula kufuala. Mwana kashuwa fundwa. Tetiale ende na skin tight murodi. Nishuwashi batili ule. Mwana kashuwa fundwa. Alenda na panty ile moneka akaputula kale moneka trousers. Atibadi upwa. Iwauri ule. Nuwa bana makwenkwe. Bana makwenkwe. Ebe no tuputula tule moneka. Ebe nemi toto shile moneka. Aba fiashi aba kwatamano. Balenda na abana babo. Imi toto shile moneka. Umutoto nga wa moneka. Nishine cha mfwala shile moneka. Mule ipaya. That's why wakuchi ngwele, wakuchi ngola, waku Livingstone, wakuchi pata, abarefu abaiche, pantuinfo mule itapa mibili, mule ndo wamba kwa bulo kufuala, mwari posa kaucha, aba fiashi benu, bale monobu pipi, pamitoto, kaita mwa kwa tamano. Ela nombaba shuga judging abaku sende bari poa, bari fo bari luwala, ela wala kore chikore kore, ela wala nyechi nyenyenye, ela wala sunde, ela wasa ibu kushati abandi, ngana leo mfwa, kachira unga shiriso. Ichalo matui. Ngaturela ndepadi akainde ichirema, bankoma matui, tatuwa mupata. Kuteke ichalo mano, kumfwa bantoko balelanda. No kusura fimo. Infumu mumushibala ituka. Wanfumu ngaba kutuka, tawakayokula uma abantu mumushita kwaba. Ichala chali kwata abantu abakwata mano nabasha kwata mano mwali bendoshi mwabana namaule mwabana bakabwalala wala wabakateka waba president wa filema waba president wa maule waba president wa mashilu bantu no bakateka natawulefo kuba president wa babonze wiba bantu muchalo mwali baba kwata mano nabasha kwata mano namba katurelanda ababa surrounding na iwe bale kwa bafati yo bakateka iyo bakateka tieni nayo. Ero kateka chika kupana po echibi. Aba bakandira bakakubutuka. So inanga ndelanda tekwa bati bakainde na libapata. Ichilota tupatikisha. Inanga bankanya. Kuba fati shikeni. Namba iyo kateka ni wabole patikisha afye. Umuno byalelo wa alwalelo wala. Walikuwa tia maka ya kumubika pandeke, no kumushindika, no kumupempula, liliafua, eno wabo waba number 1. Ichalo matui, ichalo menso. Apa koma ila nondo, nishipadi ubulema. Kala nambo okulanda, you cannot sort out your problems in court. Iwa winena mayo, panti mweba le tamba. Some of you are planning at, ichupo chandi ndevu achipwe. Ulefu achipwe chupo, ulefu uka upo kuni nani? Ayama problemu kwete. Na ukasanga na yambi. Uyomurume, eso ala chelo kuisa. Ukasanga usunda pa bedi. Ukalala ala muli Zambezi river. Ukalala ala muli Kafue river. Uyomu wa ume hove. Mukoselele. Awabale kubepa abo. Baka kubonfia lo kukubutuka. Aba ume bala bonfia. Ichuponga chapwa. Simu kadi ni teni kwacha. Akabula simu kadi akapose. Akabuika mwana imbi. Nishimamu aruse chupo. Takwa wapo abantu abafule chifule. Wasango mwana kashui wafula. Wasango mwana wafula. Aba ume. Base ndama ruwele kumisana. Isho misana mule tamba tatabo. Ababa nakashu mule tamba pa Facebook. Bari kwa kumisana kwa abama ruwele. Kabia ni mukaruwale. Kadi aba fyashinga banalanda twila ndo bushiku. Efile chibe mbachila ndo kweba ati. Umwana ashumfwa. Amene ni omwefu kuikoshi. Waimapwe mbyefu ishi. Chamela kunu moku. Muchalo chesu muna mwari benso selo. Mwari bokwata mano. So oya mule teke charo. Mule kwate mitimesha misura. Mwila isebanya. Kule tamashi amanani. Ifime aliashi. Ifi akweba. Ifi chabe. Ifi akufura. Icharo. No kuifura. Fimwa fintu. Tuila hivika mo. Pantu fila ona ule ntambi. Ele wabaka teka. Ulingira wa ishibe fia kusalo kulanda. Ulingira wa ishibe kutontonga nyoko wa purapo. Nombango walala ndanga abantu. Apa lichonze kulanda. Ishi lichonze chaisa kulanda. Kuisebanya. No kusebanya echaro. Teka mbwa mano. Watekele mbwa mchipiyaya. Thank you so much, brothers and sisters. I just came to update you that Filato mwalalo lechitumbu cha barungu mwebera chipata kulieni barungu urakaza ni wandi lungu alikuwa ta plan B mumanda alikuwa ta plan B mumochari alikuwa ta plan B so nomba tatuishi bede tukashika barungu kanshi nomba bamuri pwanji twakalalolela ngati next year ngati mailo tatuishi so tukalalolela kulingana koti ya South Africa for Yalanda uri na menso kaloleshe uri na matuka omfwe you cannot sort out your problems in court gamwamona abantu wala butukira ku court those are the weaker souls they don't know how to go inanga wantuka pano wantuka nishi ala butukira ku court yo na untuka iwe na ala kutumira phone ngana likwata namba yobe bamunyinane muchala tatwika la so uwa fomu nankwete bikwa musaru ali pesa mba ulaluka waisa pamulu lero ndelanda pano mwaka mwebela Zambia mkesa ima iwa winenu wala ba president nishi mukalandila panti nishita musanga muamano uyu muntu kuti akule chalo uyu muntu kuti asunga bamkamfwirwa uyu muntu kuti asunga bana bamfwirwa uyu muntu kuti asunga ba civil servant uyu muntu kuti abike chalo pamo. Remember, wherever you are, next year we are changing the government for a better country. Not tribalism. Civil servant. Understand, when we form government next year, there will be no language of tribalism. There will be a language of one Zambia, one nation. When we form government next year, there will be no satanist in this country. We are going back to Zambia is a Christian nation. So wherever you are, next year we are changing the government. Even when we change the government, we are not saying we are going to be fighting. We are not saying we are going to take back index na makukoti naba nababo. That nonsense, we are going to bury it with UPND next year. Tukesa asunga ba UPND na bakainde kwa buloku barua. Abe birenda lama. Tato ninda lama chabo. Neza kamu kwa pingula. Yuanga la wiba. Kwa libemfwa. Inda lama shikashala. Leloka asangana lesa. Panda lama wa ibiresha kuchisha. Ishaba na banshiwa. Panda lama isho wa ibiresha muti. Kushila mwemiti abantu. Wa ibenda lama kweothi. Kuminister of Health. Mwaiba mwadia. Abantu bafwa. Balabonsha bafwa. Mukaya basanga kumanda bara mirolela. Bakala binto ba mapi. Emo shachela. Panda lama isho muleiba. Ela bafwa mulandi wansala. So, numulandi wakwata mawa chitiremiti. Mukaya mkubasanga abantu bafwa kuda. Mukaya basanga. Sola mule bomba. Mule tontonkanya. Pakufwa. Usholo nkafwa. Ukafwa na tribalism. Wafwa na tribalism. Ukaya basanga abafwa. Bakala kuma every day. Pakwe bati. Ukafiro kubwela. Ukese shimika. Iti abakumanda. Mule ite mwana. You are some people. You the Bembas, you the Tongas, you the Karubare. You the Lenje. You the lost people. Baushi. Tumbuka. Kaonde. Baswame mabaruvare. You are one people. You should love one another. And understand that one day we are going to leave this country and we are going to go back to God. Let us continue preaching peace and love in the Republic of Zambia. Above all, mweba government, by debs, mwema teachers, by police, wherever you are working. The people that you are working with, they are your brothers and sisters. Don't show tribalism against your brothers and sisters. Umusaruwa di pesamba. Ulaluka waisa pamuru. The people that you are mistreating today in the name of tribalism, next year when we change the government, are you going to be happy to be treated the way you are treating your friends? Remember, power is not permanent. Power is sweet, but the power is not permanent. But civil servant, mwabale panga tribalism, mwabale mona bantu banenu kwa tite bantu tatureform kesa mkule kenchito pantu mwaleta mistreat abanenu pa Minister of Infrastructure, pa Minister of Health, pa Minister of Mines, kwanza kuma ministries tatureform kesa mkule kenchito for the nonsense that you are doing. Akainde ewa kwa tafya immunity. You are a civil servant, you are a police officer, you are a judge, you are a magistrate. You don't have that immunity. Kucha mkese ale kenchito, mkese butuka, ala tuwala chinja government, mwikala ndeta tuwale landa. I'm just warning you. Treat your friends, those civil servants in Eastern Province, those civil servants in Southern Province, in Mchinga Copper Belt, wherever you are working, you are one people. Nala mura ingisha nchito. Mura ingisha bonse. Bonse abantu wala mfwensala. All of you went to school. So you are Zambians. Love one another and promote togetherness. If you continue practicing tribalism, my brother, don't come and cry next year. Otherwise, these are some of the messages that I came to tell you. Civil servant. Once we change the government, you are going back for work. Ngatawia kunchite kuchoma civil servant. Gabani mi parkinga kurusaka ba civil servant. Because when we speak as grassroots media, I know what I'm talking about. You are a teacher and your friend is a teacher. You are the same. Love one another. Don't practice tribalism. Once we come into government, we are coming to clean up that nonsense. We are not going to allow tribalism in this country. You are one people, created in the image of God. Why do you want to practice tribalism? Alanga mwafwa, takwa wapwe mande ababemba, takwa wapwe mande abatonga, takwa wapwe mande, takwa wako grave, yaba kuchipata. Eko wafuila, ukwakune kwa baka ushika. Kurusaka kwa libe mande kalamba, betatile upadziu. Nsha umfwa kwa tukubashika kwa batonga, ukubashika kwa babemba, ukubashika kwa bakarubale. Bonzenga mwafwa, bamishika pamo. The way you are buried in the grave, that's how you are supposed to get united as one people. Kumanda pali umutonga apa, kumanda apa pali umubemba, pali umulozi. Bonze bali lala mwiloba. Learn to love one another. There is life after death. So, the way you are buried in the grave, Ponze balashika, pari umubemba, pari umutonga, pari karubare, kumanda. Nombanga tamule, so shanya pesa mbari acharo. Kumanda mukalanda shani, apa pari umutonga, apa pari umubemba, apa pari karubare, apa pari umulozi. How are you going to be talking in the grave? When we speak even beyond death. You are one people. You the Tongas, you the Bembas, you the Karubare. You are one people. Mwariupa nakale. Aba Tonga mwariupa babemba. Aba bemba mwariupa batonga. Aba Tonga mwariupa kuri bakarubare. Bakarubare mwariupa barozi. Abalozi mwariupa abangoni. You are one people. So you promote your togetherness for this country to develop. Mwira itemwa. Ababe nengo wa itemwa. Wala kunchito. Wala panga tribalism. Wabwela kunganda. Baneba bobe babemba. Baneba bobe batonga. Lile wala. Wamba kunye chinye nyenye. Ela nomba wala konkonsha baneba. Baneba le konkonsha batonga. Baneba le konkonsha chomwa na ruwala. Babemba. Beleniko motoka. Ufweli chaisa kuno. The way you love yourselves, the way Jesus Christ is telling you, love your neighbor as you love yourself. Love the people that you are working with. That's how you can show Jesus Christ. Don't be good in the church when you are in SDA. When you are in SDA, you show love. You go out of the church, you show tribalism. You are a Catholic. In the church, you are showing love. You go out of the church, you go and do tribalism. Hell, fire of hell is following you. Ela mukalalwala mastroko. Ela mukalalwala mitima. Ela mukalalwala ma BP. Mulandi wa tribalism. Ela mukalafwa ngefi nyau. Ela mukalafwa. Mulandi wa rupato. Wa mundungu wa kwato rupato. Ifi safivi. So mulete mwana. Love your neighbor as you love yourself. Love the people that you see. Inata mwa monapo. Why should you say, no, grassroots media na likutemwa. Wali mwana po ine. Awale bombala bena mu office. Uyo teacher, wapata. Uyo teacher wapata omubemba. Uyo teacher wapata omutonga. Uyo teacher wapata omulozi. You are working under the same school. Me, I don't work there. So you can't show love to me. The person that you have never seen. Show love to the people you are working with. Show love to the people you are found with in the church. That's how God is going to bless you. Me, I tell people, if you want to give me, give your family first. The one more at family you have an idea. Ela wingan to me la talk time. Ela wingan to me la talk. Ndama ya fuel. You cannot satisfy me when your family is in poverty. Your giving will be in vain. So show love to your families. Show love to the people you are found with. And the only way you can show love to the people you are found with, those are the Tongas you are with. Those are the Lord's people you are with. Those are the Karubales at your ministry. Those are your brothers. Those are your sisters. That's why you are working together. You are brothers and sisters. If you are working at the police station, the people that you are working with, those are your brothers. Why? Because you spend most of your time with those people. Those are your friends. Those are your relatives. Show love to them. Don't show tribalism. Don't divide yourselves. This country, bonse to abapajane. Bonse to abaparwendo. We take 3 steps ahead every day to abaparwendo. Na imobe ne mweba retamba. Mwabaparwendo. Babruru benu bari fwa. Bare eria. Bare fuala. Abakashi benu bari fwa. Bare samba. Bare eria. Omuno obi ari fwa. Are eria. Are samba. Are nshamotoka. Bari fwa. We are not special than those people who died before us. When we live, we should show love. When we live, we should show forgiveness. That's what Jesus Christ is telling us. So wherever you are, brothers and sisters, I want to say thank you. May God bless you. Let us learn to forgive one another. Let us forgive our enemies. What more in it? Police will know anjikata. Amfwemba. Antwana maselo. Na maselo na alala. Na maselo na alala. Na maselo na alala. Na maselo na alala. But iganamu kumanya, I show them love. And I speak on their behalf. Me, I'm not a police officer. I'm not a teacher. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a soldier. I'm not a male nurse. No. My job is what I'm doing. And this is enough to defend Mother Zambia. Muri ifine fyo nchita, mwari bechuma. Muri ifine fyo nchita, ndaria. Muri ifine fyo nchita, lesala mpera fiwe. Muri ifine fyo nchita, God gives me what I want. In whatever you are doing, God will bless you. Blessed is the hand that gives. Blessed is the hand that gives. I want to answer my boss. He's calling. I need to answer my boss. You have heard. My boss wants to talk to me. And I cannot avoid my boss. What I can say is bye-bye. God bless you. And see you next time. Promote peace and unity in the Republic of Zambia. Grassroots media. Tuaba Parwendo. We take 3 steps ahead every day. Ukwari insoke, takwa fire bantu. Ukwari insoke, takwa fire bantu. Ukwari insoke, takwari ukupena. Ukwari insoke, takwari kusenda masaka. Ukwari insoke, takwari ukufwa. We are living in a country that has got culture and our traditional. We need to love one another, promoting culture and traditional. That's how it is. If you want to run your marriage without culture, you are a fool. If you want to run your marriage without traditional, you are a fool. Because every nation, every society, there is traditional and culture. I love you so much. I love you. God bless you.